The affiliate marketing industry is one of the biggest money generating industries that you can tap into without having to invest a lot of money. All you have to do is find a company or a person who wants to sell a product, advertise for them, and you might even get a 50% commission. Sounds easy, right? Wait until it gets to the part where you have to convince people to do the buying, and you might just start to regret taking it on in the first place. But did you know that by making use of AI tools, you can easily drive your sales from zeros to euros? Stay tuned as we dive into the secrets behind becoming one of the top professionals in affiliate marketing, along with some of the best tools you can use to increase sales and grow your brand. There's never been an easier time in history than the present to make money online. In this new age of technology, many people will become millionaires and billionaires while making use of their digital skills. To make it easier to understand what affiliate marketing is, let's dive into the practical aspect for a little bit. Could you imagine buying a pair of sneakers, and then you start thinking along the lines that these sneakers are pretty sleek? Let me introduce them to a friend. Let's imagine that you were successful in persuading your buddies that the footwear in question is, in all seriousness, the best thing they could ever get. Who knows? It could even be your friendship sneaker. Your friends might just decide to purchase it through a link to the product store on an e-commerce platform like Amazon. If they purchase it through your affiliate link, you can earn a commission of 25%, which would earn you a commission of $25. If you were successful in selling it to 4 different people, you would have made $100. But just think about this. There are some other products that cost an even bigger sum of money. Assuming you were successful in persuading some individuals to purchase a specific item that they have always desired to get, can you even imagine the amount of money that you would be able to earn on a monthly basis? And the catch? You just have to make sure that they're doing it through your link. But how can you actually convince people to purchase products through your affiliate link? One of the most effective methods is the carrot stick strategy. But how does this work? Everyone loves free gifts, and even if most people wouldn't like to admit it, they probably do. People are easily attracted to special offers or free gifts whenever they sign up for a website, but most times these free gifts are baits that either focus more on the product you're trying to sell or establish a connection between you and your potential customers. For example, let's say you're trying to sell an online course on social marketing. One of the main reasons that anyone would be trying to learn social media marketing in the first place is the desire to boost their income. You could easily provide them with a free ebook that explains how to become wealthy, or a 20% discount or offer on an online course. The dots are finally connecting, aren't they? When it comes to making sales, website copywriting is not the only way you can make sales. There is also the option of posting videos on social media platforms such as Facebook or YouTube, in which you discuss a topic that you are passionate about. A very good example of this is a supplement for weight loss that is targeted at people working in the fitness industry or people trying to lose weight. You can also sell larger items like dumbbells or an indoor exercise bike, since some people prefer working out from the comfort of their home to the gym. It's just more preferable for most people since they won't really be bothered by others around them or fall into the danger of being assaulted. You wouldn't just be selling a product, you would also be providing people with a solution to their problems. And that's not all. After you start making some big gains, you can hire other like-minded professionals to work under you while giving room for growth. There's simply no limit to the extent to which you can expand your brand through the use of affiliate marketing. Simply take a look at Amazon. It is without a doubt the most extensive affiliate marketing platform in the entire world. They simply make it possible for other people to sell products on their platform and earn a commission for doing so. They do not have any of their own personal products being sold. The use of physical products is not the only thing that can be done with affiliate marketing. This also includes the sale of digital products. And we're talking of things like NFTs, online courses, stock photos, and software. Basically anything the hands can't touch. When it comes to being an affiliate marketer, there is literally nothing that you cannot promote. But you should probably stick to promoting only the things that you're truly passionate about. Now that you are aware of this, why don't we check out some of the top tier tools that you can use to drive traffic to your brand and increase your income as an affiliate marketer? AnyWord. In the first place, none other than AnyWord. Surprising, right? Well, it shouldn't be. When it comes to content marketing, written content is by far one of the best ways to write a sales copy that makes your audience want to break the bank. But how exactly does AnyWord help with this anyway? AnyWord has several tools for predicting and analyzing customer interests or behaviors, which would help you in knowing the right words to use to write a better copy. But guess what? AnyWord's advantages extend far beyond predictive analytics. Whether it's catchy ad copy or generating SEO-optimized blog titles, you can count on AnyWord to speed up sales across multiple platforms with the Performance Boost extension. Phrase. If you're trying to be at the top of the search engine results pages and rank higher than your competitors, you should definitely consider using Phrase. Phrase has a lot of features that help with phrasing the perfect copy. It also has an AI writer feature, which helps with your creativity, although it's not 100% reliable, so you'll have to check Google to see if it's accurate or not. Live chat. One of the most important phases of affiliate marketing is keeping your customers interested for long enough before they buy your product. This is where live chat comes in. Live chat can be integrated into your website to help you respond to your clients' inquiries on time while earning their trust and increasing sales. And that's not all. You can easily instruct your bot on the best response to give, or better yet, you could even customize the response by making it sassy or witty. Basically anything that would give it a humanoid touch while earning you your client's trust and affection. GetResponse. If you're looking for an all-in-one marketing solution, look no further than GetResponse. GetResponse has everything you need to make your marketing easier and more effective, from email marketing to building websites. Its AI email generator and product recommendation features let you send personalized, powerful marketing campaigns that connect with your audience and get them to buy your products. And that's all for now. But remember, with any of these tools, you can achieve anything you set your sights on. The efficient use of these tools will help you in saving time and increase sales. If you've ever experimented with any of these platforms in the past, it would be really nice if you could leave some tips in the comments section below. Also, click on the like and subscribe buttons if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to click on the bell icon for instant updates on new videos. Have a great day, and thank you all so much for watching.